Looking for a new browser? Let's compare 3 top picks that might just replace Chrome for good. Today we're breaking down Vivaldi, Brave, and Firefox. These aren't just Chrome copies. Each has unique tricks up its sleeve. By the end, you'll know which one fits your needs best. First up is Brave. Think of it as your privacy bodyguard. It blocks ads and trackers right out of the box. No setup needed. Pages load super fast because all that junk gets blocked. You'll save data and battery too, especially on your phone. Brave even pays you to see ads if you want. But there is the thing. It's pretty basic when it comes to features. It's fast, it's private, but it won't wow you with fancy tool. Next is Vivaldi. The browser is like a Swiss Army knife. You can customize everything. Move tabs to the side, stack them, split your screen, take notes. It does it all. Vivaldi has built-in email, calendar, and even a feed reader. It's perfect if you love tweaking settings and want your browser to do more than just browse. The downside, it can feel heavy and might run slower on older computers. Firefox is the balanced choice. Mozilla has been fighting for your privacy for years. It blocks trackers, syncs across devices, and runs pretty fast. Firefox doesn't go overboard with features like Vivaldi, but it's not as bare bones as Brave. It hits that sweet spot between privacy, speed, and useful features. Plus, it's not built on Chrome's engine, which keeps the web diverse. So here is the deal. Brave wins on pure speed and privacy. Vivaldi takes the crown for customization and features. Firefox balances everything nicely without going to extremes. Your best pick depends on what matters most. Want privacy and speed? Go Brave. Love customizing everything? Try Vivaldi. Want something reliable then just works? Firefox is your friend. All 3 beat Chrome in different ways. The real winner? You, for having better options. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.